if he gave those to me. Did you see them? They were just all jumping out of the water right behind the boat. All the dolphins, see them all? I just started hearing this splash, splash, and I was like, what the heck is that? And then it took me like too long to get the darn camera. There's a bunch of them over there. They were like jumping out of the water right behind the boat. They all just jumped out right here, a couple feet off the back of the boat. There's some more over there. You can't really see them anymore. Bummer. They were jumping so high. The dolphins were leaping out of the water.